So I bought this Torin Big Red 3-ton jack to change the brakes out on a couple of my SUVs. I bought it because it had this SUV extension. It was roughly 65 bucks on Amazon, so that seemed like a pretty good deal. So we're gonna open it up and see what's in there, and hopefully it's worth the price. So when you open it up, this is what you get. You get the handle, the extension, instruction manual, warning label that has important air purge procedure on it, so don't throw that away. And this thing comes pretty much fully assembled. So let's see what the instructions have to say. So before you use it, you have to purge the air. It says remove the cover plate to expose the oil plug. So that's right here in the middle of the piston. Place the handle over this and do 3 full turns. 1, 2, 3. And then it says rapidly pump the handle 6 to 8 times. The flat blade screwdriver push the oil fill plug slightly to the side to purge the trapped air. Alright, that's done. Place the cover plate, turn the handle clockwise until it stops, and the jack is ready for use. So turn this and tighten it back down. Put the cover plate back on. And theoretically, we're ready for use. So let's see if that worked. Yep. So one thing you can do is the extension works like this, and you can place it here and you can get some extra height. It's one of the main reasons I bought it. So let's lower it back down. Looks like working as intended.